This morning in Las Vegas. Cloudy. Look at the sky. Taxi down there. Spirit right there. Strut. MGM. Fountain Blue. A lot of new stuff going on here in Vegas. The yellow one here is Spirit Airline. Military. Right there, military. Right there. Airplane take off in that direction. I could see the small one, but I don't know if you can see it. This one is getting out right here. Allegiant Air. Private jet. Right there, private jet. That's for the rich people, y'all. For the rich people, y'all. This one was to take off. That's the black one there. The black one is Allegiant Stadium. Raiders Stadium. That's Mandalay Bay, Excalibur, Luxor. The black airplane right there, the black one, that's military. Second one right there, the small one, you see it? Yeah, there. Private jet take up on Monday, huh? For rich people, I guess. You can do anything you want, boy. You're rich. Cosmopolitan, MGM. Yeah. White tank right there, that's a gasoline for the airplane, so you go underground.